Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another great unit from Afsister. I showed you all a body wave texture last time, but this time I'm going to be showing you all a silky straight unit. For the last few videos that I've done straight hair, I've been doing the yaki texture because y'all know how I feel about yaki. But I said, let me do a silky texture because there's some girls who really don't prefer the yaki and maybe want to see a silkier texture. So this unit does have an elastic band. So if you want to opt to wear it without having to secure it down, that's going to give you that option. The unit fit nice and snug and I was really happy about that. And y'all, this is an invisible knot wig as shared before. So you're not going to have to worry about those pesky dark knots that you guys are accustomed to with most affordable units. This is a very affordable option, and this particular unit has all the work done for you. So I parted it off where I wanted it, and although this unit came with a side part, and y'all know how I feel about side parts, I decided to try a middle part again. I've been really trying to work on that, y'all, and y'all seem to like when I do middle parts, so I decided to do it for this particular unit. So we're just smoothing everything out, and I want to get in close so y'all can see how awesome these knots are. You don't see them at all. They're invisible, and the method that they've used is where they actually tie 1 to 2 strands of hair rather than the 3, 4, 5, 6, however many other companies do, and that's really going to give you a really nice flat lay, really nice, beautiful, natural looking lace construction and make your install look so much more realistic. So this part is optional because the unit did come with a pre-plucked hairline and it was done very well. I just decided to pluck it just a little bit more behind the area where they pluck, just to give me the look that I desire. So customize your units as much as you desire, or you don't have to do any of this at all. So now I'm just laying it back down again using the mousse, but what I wish I had done before actually starting the tweezing process was the Sally Hansen method. So I'm going to spray the Sally Hansen, and this is airbrush spray. I'm spraying that all over the lace just to tint the lace, because although this is a transparent lace invisible knot unit, you want to still customize it a bit more so that the lace is your scalp color. And there are so many other tinting methods that you can use, but this one is just the easiest and most effective, and it also works if you're just deciding to cover or conceal the knots on a unit. This one has already been done, but it's kind of a twofold method that really is effective. So we're going to slick everything back down again using the mousse, and then I'm going to dry it using my blow dryer, and then I'll follow this up with my hot comb just to make sure it's really laid. Alright, so everything is looking great so far. One thing I did notice about this particular unit is that it's really not as low hairline friendly as I would have liked. As you can see, my hairline is peeking out a little bit, so we're going to have to go in and fix that some later. I decided to try it on and just use the elastic band to show you all how flat it lays in that way, and I was deciding whether I was just going to do it without having to secure it down with the gossipy glue, but then I later decided not to. So in the area where your front hairline is, in order to make sure that it looks really blended and as though it's actually growing out of your scalp, you want to use a foundation. You can use a cream foundation or a powder foundation. I'm going to be using both because I wanted to make sure that it really looked flawless, and it will once I actually put my makeup and everything on as well. So I used the Ruby Kiss, and I also used the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation just to go in and make sure that the colors were matching as well as I desire, because the first color, although it looks really good, it's kind of warmer than the MAC Studio Fix, and I feel like that looks better. For a lower hairline, you could also decide to take the foundation and bring it forward a little more over your edges, and that's going to also help. So now we're just going to secure it down using the gossipy glue in the yellow bottle. Okay guys, so these are the finished results. I hope that you all love it as much as I do. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to show you all a few styles at the end. We're limited a little bit because of the hairline. I wanted to really do a natural, no baby hair at all look, but I am going to have to add some baby hair at the end, and I'm going to show you all some styles. So hopefully you all enjoy it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know.